In this video, I will show you how to upload a document on the Deepseek AI app and have it analyzed. Let's get started. First, I make sure I am logged into the Deepseek chat interface. I start by moving my cursor over to the message box at the bottom of the screen. On the right side of the input field, there is a small paperclip icon, which is the upload button. I click on this paperclip icon to open my computer's file explorer. Now that the file explorer is open, I navigate through my folders to find the document I want to upload. I see a few options here under my downloads, including a sample article and some images. I am going to select the Word document titled HIV Awareness and Safe Sex. Once I have clicked on the correct file to highlight it, I go ahead and click the Open button at the bottom of the window to start the upload. The document begins uploading to the platform, and you can see a small pending circle indicating that the system is processing the file. In just a couple of seconds, the upload is complete, showing the file name along with its size, which is 36.3 kilobytes. Next, I click inside the message Deepseek text box to type out my instructions for the AI. I want a thorough breakdown of this file, so I type, "Analyze this document and tell me, what is the main topic? What are the key points? What is the purpose of the document? What are the most important takeaways? And finally, summarize everything in about 200 words. Once my custom prompt is ready, I click the blue arrow send button located on the right. Deepseek immediately begins processing both the document and the prompt. Within moments, the AI starts generating a detailed, structured response based on the uploaded file. You will also notice that the chat name on the left sidebar automatically updates to HIV Awareness Document Analysis. Now, I can scroll down slowly to read the comprehensive analysis provided by the AI. It starts by identifying the main topic as HIV awareness and safe sex practices. It then lists the key points, which explain how the virus attacks the immune system, safe sex practices, the impact of stigma, and the vital role of education and empathy. Continuing down, it clearly outlines the purpose of the document, followed by the most important takeaways. At the very bottom, it provides a highly detailed, concise summary of about 200 words, perfectly capturing all the essential details from my uploaded file. And that is how easy it is to upload and analyze any document using Deepseek. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.